talk about the effects of climate change.
Cyprus is a small island in the Mediterranean with a population of less than 1 million.
Climate change has affected our country over the past 10 years, and it seems unless we don't change our habits, things will only get worse.
Michael, do you know any local effects of climate change?
Well, of course, that's a silly question. Droughts affect our country every year because of intense weather pattern. The temperature in Cyprus will increase from 1.0 to 5.5 degrees by 2100.
In fact, dry periods are expected to increase in length and frequency in Cyprus. According to the Agriculture Minister, Cyprus is in its third year of drought, and the water in dams are at the lowest level since 2008.
This can affect the way we live and the way we grow our crops.
Hey Laura! What can you tell us about climate change in Cyprus?
Hi guys, well, here in the Mediterranean, the sea levels are expected to rise. By 2100, sea levels will rise between 3 and 61 centimeters.
This will affect the population and coastal ecosystems will be threatened.
Well, let's talk about rainfall. Cyprus is not a really rainy place. We usually have 326 sunny days in Cyprus, and the way it's going, we might even reach 365.
Also, there is a decrease up to 20% rainfall or more in some parts of southern Europe, affecting Cyprus.
Lastly, intensity of rainfall has extremely increased by 50 years from now.
Yeah, that's all from us. Let's talk about global effects.
Bye!
Global climate has already had observable effects on the environment.
Change in tropical climate. Deadly heat will rise by 50% by 2100 because of massive carbon emissions. Heat waves can kill up to 75% of the world's population. Heat-related deaths are going to become more common. The air will become more humid, making the atmosphere deadly. Change in the two poles. Human activity is amongst the biggest threats in the poles, causing climate change. The increased amounts of greenhouse gases in the air cause the temperatures to rise globally. Because of this, the ice at the poles melts, destroying the natural habitat of many species. Animals have less time to hunt in the winter, so they starve to death, disrupting the ecosystem. Change in the Mediterranean. In the Mediterranean, it is estimated that the temperature will rise by 5 degrees and the precipitation will increase by 20%. This will disturb ecological and biological patterns, causing mostly negative impacts. Scientists believe that the Mediterranean will be one of the most effective places in the planet.